Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Today I have a couple of shares. The first one is I won a prize from Anchored and Craft Patricia here on YouTube. I will link her channel down below. She had a giveaway going on and I was one of the lucky winners, and she sent me some of the dollar store tulle, these cute Halloween erasers. She sent me a note, and then she sent me some of the dollar store stickers, which I don't have any of these. I think someone just sent me these ones in a swap, and these ones. And then she sent me this cute little box, and inside we have some ribbon, some pumpkins, some handmade embellishments. These are cute. And this teeny tiny bottle full of cuteness. Patricia, thank you so much for sending these super cute supplies my way. Thank you so much for having such a cute giveaway. I appreciate that all so much. The next share that I have is I had some Staples rewards, and so I ended up picking up pricing labels, and I have a pricing gun that I think these will fit in. These were on clearance. It was like 99% off, so they were 40 cents. And I thought, you know what, it's worth it if they actually do fit in my gun. I did measure this and it's the same size, so I think that it will. So I picked up those. And I picked up some new fine line pens. I love all these colors, and they were on sale for I think $14.99. And then these really nice size organizers. These are 13 inches deep and they have the higher back. And I got two, and these were on clearance for $1.24. And I'm going to try and fit these in my IKEA unit to help store some of my 12 by 12 paper pads so they don't bend. So that is what I picked up those for. A couple of trips to the dollar store. This was over when Halloween first started coming out, and then a little bit more recent. But I found these skull picks, the little bottles, the bat picks, the pumpkin picks, and then I picked up an extra in case anyone wasn't able to find them, and I figured I would throw them in a swap. I found these at the dollar store. And these Halloweens, I didn't have these ones. This is just the cute one, and I have a paper pad that has very similar colors and images. This is the skull one. I don't have this one. And then I saw these cute bags. I couldn't resist. I picked those up. And I picked up two of these. Thought that they would fit on the top of my organizing unit, but sadly they're too tall, so I'm not sure if that's actually going to be something that I use in my craft room. And then my daughter was shopping at GoodWill, and she picked me up this package of stickers. It was 25% off of the $6.49. I have no idea what's inside. Get a pair of scissors. All right, see what's inside this bag of goodies. Guys, I am in the middle of my cross-country season right now, and I'm doing some reorganizing in my craft room, and then I'm doing a huge craft room purge. It is time. I have to do it, and it is what I'm going to do as soon as my cross-country season comes to an end. So here we have this packet of flower brads. These are really large ones. And these are jelly labels. They say Happy Holidays. A sticker value book. These are cute. Making Memories. That's old. 2005. And this is some rub-ons. Then we have some woven alphas. These K & Company brads. I love these. They're so pretty. Believe rub-ons. This is going to go right into my Christmas stash. More of these leathers. Looks like a whole bunch of these. I will probably be destashing these because I don't normally use alphas, and there's a whole bunch in there. Kid Talk. This looks like an empty package. Celebrate. Some little stickers. These are also some rub-ons. This looks like baby. Some more Happy Holiday jelly stickers. Looks like some stickers. Some more packaging. Another one of these. Kid Talk. I feel like I might have some paper that matches some of these. This cute baby set. These are more, what are these? Are these rub-ons? Okay, these in black. Some blue ones. These is Mod Podge. They're just like papers, but you could Mod Podge over them. Some in brown. Snowboarding. These puppy vintage ones. The seasons and months. And some more stickers. So yeah, I mean, it's for, I think it was around $5 for all of those. So that was a pretty good deal, but I will definitely be getting rid of the ones that I'm not using. So I'm going to like flip the camera up and show you kind of what I'm up to. This was my side counter area, and the desk started to bow really heavy in the middle, and I think it was because my sewing machine was here. I'm picking up the legs tomorrow. I've cleaned off this whole area except what I just put on there to show what I hauled, and we're going to install new legs, and then all this is being pulled out, and he's installing a 1x2 on the wall so that this has something to sit on back here. This is the area that we're working in right now. I've designed this area. My door slides and it stops right there. So we're going to put shallow shelves all the way down to the top of this unit, and that's where all my punches are going to sit. And then all behind the slide door, we're going to put the large magnetic sheet for all of my dies just to stick to. My craft island is kind of organized. I've been keeping the space clean for projects that I'm actually working on. My plan is to have enough room for all of these punches to go on the other wall, and then remove this shoe rack so that I have better access to these bins back here. I'm working on cleaning out all of my areas and trying to really sort and organize what I really want to use. So I've done my post-it notes. I've done all of my project life cards. I still have to do my washi tape, my glitters. That's going to be a mess. I have so much to still organize and do, but like I said, I'm in the middle of my season. My school does 2 weeks of fall break. The first week I don't have practice, and then I have practices the next week, and it goes until mid-November. All next week, my goal is to get this area back up and functioning, and I'm going to try and do this as my working on. So if I want to work on Halloween, I'm going to set up a station where all the supplies are here. It's not over here. I have to purge some of my things so that I can actually work in here. Like, this is Halloween. That is Halloween. This is like my work stuff. That's like a book of stamps because I was looking for a stamp that I couldn't find and it was driving me crazy. I've moved a table into my hallway with all of the stuff that was in that counter. This is all stuff that I'm destashing all under there. Looking at stuff that I love and I want to be able to use versus stuff that I have just to have, and I don't want to do that anymore. That's it, guys. That's my haul that I shouldn't be hauling anything. I'm aware of that. I'm going to do a sort and organize through this of what I'm keeping and what I'm getting rid of. If I have some paper pads, I may keep some of these. If I don't, I'm destashing them. I want to try and move this unit out of here because I never access this paper, thinking if I can do like collections. If I moved all of my Hello Kitty stuff on one of these, all my wedding stuff, things like that is more themed, that way I have better access to whatever's in here. And this is just envelopes. This is where I grab from every time I'm making a card. My favorite vintage piece, which it can't stay here. It can't go against the wall because the top opens. We moved my island over so that I had more workspace, and now I just have this tiny base here. That's the update, guys. Thanks for hanging in there while I'm busy coaching, and I haven't actually been in my craft room regularly. It's just that it's the weekend and I don't have practice tomorrow. I'm spending a little more time in here than I normally would, and I'm trying to fix my desk before it snaps in two. That's it. Okay, guys, I'm just rambling on. I hope you guys all have a great day. Bye.